Oh, I like zoom in and out.
sword.
Look, guys. Look what I have. I guess I can't really throw it. Hey everyone, welcome to our Metaverse Studio. We felt like this was the next best thing. It's not going to replace it, but it will at least provide a space where people can interact with each other. Like, do you want to show them the atrium where we have meetings?
Yeah, follow me over to the atrium. This is where we have our all hands meeting, end of the year meeting, and we don't have to worry about not having enough space in our physical office for everyone. There's a giant digital screen where we put up a slide deck, and everyone has the ability to view it. There's, every seat in this room gives you good viewing angles. Doesn't matter where you're standing. We don't have a slide deck up on screen, but this is where we like to meet. It's like an amphitheater.
Yeah, we forgot to take down our Christmas tree, but
I don't like it up.
But look, it's evergreen. It never dies. So.
Well, it's eco-friendly too.
I think in terms of hardware, we're only touching the tip of the iceberg. Obviously, VR headsets and things like that. But the fidelity and the resolution is just going to get better and better, where it's going to probably start to feel like real life, and there's going to be aspects of the hardware that actually allows us to almost feel the senses that we feel in the real world. So for instance, touch, smell, things like that. So it's just going to get more and more real, and I think that opens up again, the question that's been going on during this entire pandemic is, does a design firm really absolutely need a physical office space? I think the answer still might be yes, to some extent, because you need prototyping. So obviously we have our physical office for that, but just in terms of the team makeup, do they all need to be in the Bay Area? I don't think so. I mean, obviously April's here and she's in LA, but it feels like we're working with her on a daily basis, physically here if we were in here. So I think that it just opens up for a more global workforce. And yeah, I think there's just hardware opportunities for human factors and design integration for virtual worlds. So that's my take on it, but I'll let someone else give their take.
Yeah, speaking of hardware and ergonomics, I'm dying to wait to see what Oculus's next headset will be, because the current headset, Quest 2, I would say is a bit heavy, for long-term wear. I think it feels somewhat unnatural, but I'm looking forward to a future headset that's lighter, better visibility, less nauseous, I would say. I think I would use it more often. I feel like if you get tired of a space, you can quickly change it. You can change the scenery. Like here, John just changed. He got rid of the Christmas tree, and he's getting ready to put up an Easter egg.
A dinosaur.
A few moments later.
John,
I like zoom in and out.
Look, guys, look what I have.
I'm just gonna put it over here.
Yeah. So there's, obviously there's Gravity Sketch, which is a whole 3D modeling program that's separate from this. But in here, let's just say we're reviewing a drone or something like that, or some kind of a product. But you can see we can start to sketch and review things if we want to. Let's pretend there's a model in here. I'd be sketching on it and saying hey, let's fix this area right here, or add a handle, add a spout. And then now we're making some teapot blender thing. But yeah, you can scribble in here too. So now look at you can see what Mike's doing. He's doing he's actually writing on a notepad, so that's kind of cool too. yeah, there's a lot you can do. There's just another level of interaction that you can't really have when it's just a Zoom screen. I think like SolidWorks or Keyshot integration, so that we can just like one-to-one see like whatever we have on screen, but just like have it, you know, superimposed in here. That would be really cool. If they don't already do that. And then I think like being able to like really design our avatars too, that'd be kind of cool. So, you know, right now like you're seeing like Artifact with Nike and all those like AR avatars and cool sneakers and accessories you can have for your avatar. It'd be cool if we could do that here. Like we design our own and then you could see us decked out looking like a space samurai or something like that, right? That'd be kind of cool.
I work, you know, primarily in SolidWorks. I think it'd be interesting to have some kind of integration with SolidWorks or some sort of 3D package, 3D software to enable, you know, you to plan your model, to work on your model in 3D.
If you guys want to follow here, we'll have some of my NFTs, so some artwork that I've done, digital artwork that I've done. But I think the cool thing is not so much that I did it, it's more just like our office space is open to, like if April or Mike like had their own like, you know, their own NFTs that they're working on, whether it's 3D models or their own 2D art, they can like throw it up here too. If you were to click on it, there's a link that takes you to the OpenSea account where you can actually purchase the NFT. So that's what's cool about this platform that we're using right now, is that any NFT that we are putting in the space, it's correlated onto, you know, the web and the blockchain. So.
If you guys are interested in checking out our Hatch Duo Meta Studio space and everything in it, feel free to check out our website and submit an inquiry, or you can email me at april@hatchduo.com, or feel free to give us a direct call and we'll set something up.